If you're decorating for Easter and you really want your home to feel warm, joyful, and memorable, we need to talk about something that is often underestimated, but incredibly powerful: the centerpiece. Easter centerpieces are not just decorations you place in the middle of a table. They are the heart of your celebration. They set the mood, they tell a story, and they instantly transform an ordinary meal into a meaningful experience. Think about it for a moment. Easter is a time of renewal, hope, fresh beginnings, and family gatherings. Whether you celebrate it in a spiritual way or simply as a seasonal tradition full of spring energy, your table becomes a place where people connect. And the centerpiece is what anchors that entire visual experience. It draws the eye. It creates atmosphere. It makes everything feel intentional. One of the biggest advantages of Easter centerpieces is that they instantly elevate your space without requiring a full home makeover. You don't need to redecorate your entire dining room. You don't need expensive furniture. A well-designed centerpiece can completely change the look and feel of your table in minutes. It brings color, texture, and personality into the room in a very focused way. Another benefit is emotional impact. Decorations influence how people feel. Soft pastel colors, fresh flowers, candles, natural elements like moss or wood. All of these details create calmness and joy. When your guests walk into the room and see a thoughtfully styled Easter table, they feel welcomed. They feel that effort was made for them. That emotional warmth is priceless. Let's talk about design ideas, because this is where it gets exciting. Easter is closely connected to spring, so floral arrangements are always a beautiful choice. You can use fresh tulips, daisies, lilies, or even simple wildflowers. Place them in a ceramic vase, a rustic wooden box, or even a clear glass jar for a more modern look. If you want something more creative, try arranging flowers in a basket filled with decorative eggs. It instantly gives that seasonal charm. Speaking of eggs, they are a classic Easter symbol and incredibly versatile in centerpieces. You can paint them in soft pastel tones for a traditional look, or go bold with metallic gold, silver, or even matte black for a modern twist. Place them inside a glass bowl, scatter them around candles, or nestle them in faux grass in the center of the table. They add color and texture without overwhelming the space. If you prefer something minimal and elegant, consider a candle-based centerpiece. Candles bring warmth and intimacy to any table. For Easter, you can surround white or cream candles with greenery, small blossoms, or tiny decorative bunnies. The key here is balance. You don't want the centerpiece to block conversation. Keep it low enough so guests can see each other comfortably across the table. Another beautiful idea is incorporating natural elements. Easter celebrates renewal, so wood, moss, branches, and even small potted plants work perfectly. A wooden tray filled with moss, speckled eggs, and a few small ceramic figurines can create a stunning rustic centerpiece. This style works especially well if you love farmhouse or cottage-inspired decor. One of the greatest advantages of Easter centerpieces is flexibility. You can go traditional, modern, rustic, glamorous, minimalist, colorful, or neutral. You can adapt it to your personal style and the atmosphere you want to create. That freedom allows you to express creativity without rules limiting you. Now let's talk about budget, because many people think beautiful centerpieces require a lot of money. That's simply not true. You can create stunning designs using affordable materials. Supermarket flowers, painted plastic eggs, recycled jars, and even items you already have at home can come together beautifully. Creativity matters more than cost. In fact, DIY centerpieces often feel more personal and charming than store-bought decorations. If you enjoy crafting, Easter centerpieces are the perfect opportunity to involve your family. Kids can help paint eggs, arrange flowers, or place decorative elements. It becomes part of the celebration itself. And when guests compliment the table, there's pride in saying it was made together. Color selection is another important element. Pastels like blush pink, baby blue, lavender, soft yellow, and mint green are classic Easter tones because they reflect spring. However, you can also choose a monochromatic theme for a more sophisticated look. An all-white arrangement with greenery looks incredibly elegant. Or you can choose a single dominant color and build around it for a cohesive design. Let's not forget practicality. A centerpiece should enhance the table, not interfere with functionality. Make sure there is still space for plates, glasses, and serving dishes. Avoid strong fragrances if someone in your family is sensitive to scents. And ensure that nothing is too fragile or unstable, especially if children are present. Another important benefit of Easter centerpieces is how they create tradition. When you design a special table each year, it becomes part of your family memory. People remember how the table looked, how it felt, the conversations that happened around it. Over time, your Easter table style becomes part of your home identity. And here's something powerful. Decorating your table intentionally changes your own mindset. It shifts you from routine mode into celebration mode. When you take the time to decorate, you're telling yourself that this day matters, that you value beauty, that you value connection. If you want to take your centerpiece to the next level, think about layering. Use a table runner as a base. Add greenery along the center. Place your main decorative elements on top. Then add small details like mini eggs, tiny flowers, or subtle ribbons. Layering adds depth and makes your table look professionally styled. And when you start seeing your Easter centerpiece as more than just a decorative object, that's when everything changes. It becomes a visual welcome. It becomes the first impression your guests receive before they even sit down. It silently communicates care, effort, and celebration. That's the real magic of it. Something that many people don't realize is that your centerpiece can actually guide the entire aesthetic of your Easter setup. If your centerpiece features soft pastels and delicate florals, it naturally encourages you to choose tableware, napkins, and even placemats that complement that softness. On the other hand, if you decide to create a rustic centerpiece using wood textures, greenery, and neutral tones, your entire table can shift toward a more organic and cozy atmosphere. It acts almost like a design compass for everything else around it. Height variation is also incredibly important when you're designing your arrangement. If everything sits at the same level, the centerpiece can feel flat or lifeless. Introducing elements at different heights, like a small vase next to a candle or a raised decorative stand with eggs, creates visual movement. The eyes travel naturally across the table, making the entire setup feel more dynamic and engaging. And here's a detail that makes a huge difference: personalization. You can integrate small name cards into your centerpiece, attach miniature tags to decorative eggs, or place tiny symbolic items that represent each guest. These thoughtful additions turn your decoration into an experience. Guests notice when something was made with them in mind, and that personal touch creates a deeper connection to the moment. At the end of the day, Easter centerpieces are not just about decoration. They are about atmosphere, emotion, creativity, and connection. They transform a simple meal into an experience. They reflect renewal and hope. They allow you to express your style while celebrating the season. So if you're preparing for Easter this year, don't overlook your centerpiece. It might seem like a small detail, but it carries so much impact. Whether you go simple with flowers and candles or elaborate with baskets, eggs, greenery, and handcrafted elements, what matters most is that it feels intentional and welcoming. Because when your table looks beautiful, people feel special. And that is what Easter is truly about: gathering, celebrating, and creating moments that stay in the heart long after the decorations are put away.